Hey, I'm Raphael Gonzalez, and I'm a real estate agent that specializes in new construction homes on the Treasure Coast of Florida. And today we'll be in Fort Pierce checking out a model in a community which is the only one in the entire area that qualifies for 100% financing on homes up to $425,000. So this is a great option for first-time home buyers or just someone who wants a brand new home on a budget. And I've been able to get clients of mine great deals like getting their closing costs covered. So if you're looking for a new home, reach out and we can work together on this. This is their model of a 4-bedroom, 2-bath, but they also offer a 3-2 for about $15,000 less and a 4-3 which has an attached in-law suite with its own living room and space for its own stackable washer dryer for about $15,000 to $20,000 more. But this 4-2 is going to give you 1,616 square feet under air. You get granite and white cabinets in the kitchen. Since this is the model, they've had to make some alterations to the house for their business, like the guest bathroom off from the foyer will be a proper full bath with a shower tub combination and a linen closet. And there will also be a normal door access from the laundry room that'll lead to the 2-car garage. And also the community has its own pool, rec center, and sports courts. So if you're looking for something that'll be ready sooner and don't want to wait a year to build, they do have some homes for sale that are already under construction. For more information on those and the different programs and incentives they offer, reach out to me directly. I help a lot of clients and subscribers with buying, building, and selling here in Florida, and I'd be able to help and work with you throughout the process wherever you ultimately decide to call home. So if you're looking for a home where you can put less money down, be in a community with low HOA fees, but still have plenty of amenities, reach out to me directly. I'm gonna put my information right up here, and I can connect you with their preferred lender to find out what you qualify for and how to get the process started so we can help you get into your new home.